Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be upgrading my NAS server. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. And this is my NAS server over here. This is one of my servers because I have a DAS server also where I store all of my information, my videos and everything. So this is the QNAP server, which is a QNAP TS451 Plus server with 4 bays on it. And currently on this server, I only have 2 hard drives installed. I still haven't installed 2 other hard drives because the other one, the DAS server, actually has 4 of the hard drives installed in there. And this is the DAS server that I have. They look pretty much alike. Instead, this one is the internet one. You know. The one that goes on the internet, whatever. But anyway, so I'm gonna be upgrading the memory on this one. And currently I had purchased, I have 6 8 terabyte hard drives installed. On this one I only have 2 of them, and the other one I have 6 of them. That's why I haven't done these, but they're pricey. They cost me about almost $200 a piece. So I'm gonna be opening this bad boy up and installing, because currently right now it's running 2 gigabytes of RAM. So I purchased 2 4 gigabytes, which makes it 8 gigabyte RAM of these crucial, that's what it is, right? Crucial memory. These are the ones that this is the one that I'm gonna be installing. So let me just try to put this up here. Try to do this all in one take. And I'm just going to quickly show you. So when you go to the back of it, back here, there's 4 screws you got to get out. I'm going to point out the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not these inner ones, but these outer ones into the plastic. Those are the ones we have to screw out. So I'm going to screw these out. Okay, so I took the screws out. So on the bottom of the server, if you look, you're going to see like this little tiny like imprint of a lock and unlock here. So you just have to slide the case outward a little bit. Let me see. Gotta kind of hold it and slide it. Oh wait! I almost forgot. Can't forget. It's not gonna come out unless you take out the drive bays. I gotta do that first. Let me take out the drive bays. See, these 2 are empty. Just don't forget the orientation that you remove the drives. Okay. Okay. So from right here, as you can see there, these are the 2 imprinted lock and unlock. You can see it on the corner. So you just slide it down to the unlock, and then remove the top of it. You can remove the top of it, just like that. Put that to the side. And now you see it has this cage over here. So you only got to remove 6 screws from the cage part in order to access the memory where you will be installing. So these are the screws you got to remove. These 2 from the top. Let me see if I can get it right in the right spot. This one, these 2 on the top, and you gotta remove these over here. The inner ones closer to the cage, not the outer ones here. These inner ones. There's 2 there, and there's also 2 over here on this side. See that? So those 6 screws, you have to remove those in order to get access to the memory. All right, so I removed all the 6 screws. So now you just lift this cage up like that, and you remove the cage. Just put it to the side. Boom. So you'll have access to the memory cards. Well, this one comes with 1 already installed, which is a 2 gigabyte RAM memory. And there's another slot right here where I would be putting the other one. This one's a little bit hard to put in. You kind of like put your finger there to set it down right. So this is the access points where I would install the memory. So you have these two little things that you pull like this, and it pops it open, like pops it up, and then you just install the new one. Okay, so I'm gonna install the first one right over here. Shove it in, make sure it's all the way in, and just press it down and it snaps them together. So this is the harder one, the one over here, which is a little bit difficult to get in. So because of the location of it, wait, I almost did it wrong. This one goes the other way around. It goes this way. It only goes in one way anyway. So this bad boy is gonna be a pain. I might need another tool to get. Okay, so I kind of had to use this little tool to get it, to like kind of pull it. This little hook tool, because I couldn't reach. So, all right. You know, I have to see it, make sure it's seated right. So there you go. There you go. That's it. Got the memory in. And that's how you do it. That's how you upgrade it. This is now it's an 8 gigabyte instead of a 2 gigabyte memory. So now all you gotta do is put everything back together. Simple as that. But you got to make sure that this electronic part here goes down into this slot right there, because when you pull it off, it comes right out from there. Seat that in there and just put all the 6 screws in. Then you put the case, put the 4 screws in the back, close it up, and that's it. You're good to go. All right, so that's it. I screwed it all up in the back. So now I got to put the drives in the same order that I took them out. Shove these right in here. 1, 2, and these two are empty. So these empty ones, doesn't matter what order because they're empty. Put this one in here. That's it. That's it. Now I just got to turn it on and test it out. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video. And then thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you later. Peace out. Later.